Welcome to 2020. Before I forget, Happy New Year's. Hope you guys have had a great start to your year so far, just like we have, and really setting the tone for the year. What was I gonna say?
Daniel, go take a shit.
What was I gonna say?
God, he's fucking vlogging! Oh my lord! Have some decency! Holy shit, his hands are fucking cold!
No forceful penetration in this household, please. Oh yeah, and this is the first video of 2020.
Welcome to the vlog.
Then,
Yo. Say this shit for tomorrow, Joseph, for the vlog, Joseph.
for the fucking vlog! Starting it off strong with fucking our boy Ben.
Oh fuck.
What's going on, guys? Just as promised, we're gonna make a matcha video. So I don't know shit about matcha. I frankly don't even like it that much. I never really order it, but I've seen my friend Joseph here make matcha at home, and he bought this really cool kit, and I was like, you know, maybe I'll like his matcha. So what is this kit? Where'd you get it? How much did it cost?
I actually bought the kit on Amazon. It came with a wooden whisk, a strainer, as well as some wooden spoons. The kit was about like 15 bucks.
Oh, that's not bad at all. I imagined it to be like a lot more expensive. So you're saying it came with, so just the whisk, wooden spoon, 2 wooden spoons. And these are special wooden spoons because they're made of bamboo apparently.
Yeah.
That's what it says on the spoon. I'm not sure if it's real bamboo or they're just saying it, but it looks like it's real bamboo.
It came also with a strainer.
With a strainer. So these 4 things were 15 bucks.
Yep.
Okay, so let's set this aside. And then what else did you have to buy?
It's recommended to buy a matcha bowl. So I actually, again, bought this on Amazon. And this is a Japanese matcha bowl. The reason why I specifically chose this one was honestly just the color. This one was about $28 on Amazon, so you'll definitely find a better affordable option.
It's called a matcha bowl, right? But isn't it just any regular ceramic bowl? What makes it a matcha bowl?
Difference.
$28 for this bowl.
No! God, please, no! No!
I swear I could find another bowl in here that looks the same, that's not gonna cost as much. And then these jars here are...
I actually, when I lived in LA, I got this at a tea shop. And
Yeah.
They don't use plastic, so they give you a glass
jars to take home.
So that's basically just recycled. And I've never used this before, but it's basically another jar.
He's all about the aesthetics and the bougie bottles and cups, all right?
The most important thing out of all this, of course, is the matcha itself, which I actually bought online from a startup company, basically, that makes matcha. It is Minimal Matcha, and it's actually called Monday, which has a bold, creamy, and earthy taste to it.
So there's different tastes with matcha. I'm not sure if this is true, so don't quote me, but I heard from someone that matcha is better than coffee. So you'll still get an energy boost, but you don't get the jitters, the caffeine jitters that coffee gives you, or energy drink.
I like to eat oatmeal in the morning, so I always think like matcha is a great drink to have with oatmeal. So
what am I doing? Where do I start?
I would first recommend let's clear this table and actually fill up this kettle with water, because we need water, of course. So I filled this up halfways. I don't know how much water you actually need, but usually halfways works for me. So I would say the next step is actually involves the wooden whisk. As you can see, it's kind of really hard right now, and to soften the brushes, we actually are going to use the hot water in the matcha bowl and actually keep the whisk in there for about 2 minutes for it to soften up.
Okay, so first, soften up the whisk.
Yeah.
Come on, and
now we wait.
all right, the water is done boiling.
You pour the water.
So I pour the water into the bowl without the whisk.
So honestly, you don't need a lot of water.
Okay.
Just enough for the tips of the brush.
Right there.
Oh shit.
I hear a cracking.
That's a fucking cat.
There's a cat in your roof?
I don't know, man.
So you got a little bit of water and you said, just get the tip wet, right? Just the tip. Our unpaid intern is laughing from behind the camera.
Honestly, you just put it down there.
Oh.
You wait for like 2 minutes, bro. Yeah.
This is a painstaking process because I want to drink this. I want to drink it now. Now we got to let the brush soak for another 2 minutes and the waiting game begins again.
Yeah.
Hurry the fuck up.
Now you are going to actually take out the whisk and you want to dry the bowl.
Take out the whisk.
Because the next step is actually putting the matcha inside the bowl.
How's it looking, unpaid intern? It's good?
I think it's good.
Thumbs up, okay.
And now it's the matcha time.
So the moment we've all been waiting for.
Yep.
Take this? All right.
So you're actually going to use
Let me toss this away.
You're actually going to use the small one and you're actually going to do 2 spoons of the matcha. How does it smell?
It smells pretty good. It's not as sweet of a scent that I thought. It's pretty high quality too, the stuff that it comes in.
Definitely. They're actually based in San Francisco.
Sponsor us. How much did this cost, this portion?
I don't really remember. I think it was about 25 bucks.
Nice. So to get started, you're probably gonna be running about $50, right? To get started.
Yeah, honestly, all of it together, I paid about maybe $60 at most.
$60 at most. This is a really interesting little spoon they got. So 2 like this?
Yeah, that's good.
That was good. All right. 1 and 2. That's good. I learned this from Marie Kondo. You gotta respect your belongings by saying thank you. So thank you. Let me switch spots with you here.
And we're actually making, I don't think we even mentioned this, but we're actually making a iced matcha latte. So it doesn't really matter.
Wait, so you can drink it both ways. You can have it iced and warm.
Yeah, and personally, I liked it iced.
That was a lot faster than I thought to pour out. Is that good or
Yeah,
a little more? A little bit more.
Yeah, that should be fine.
That should be perfect. And then
So now you're actually gonna use the whisk. Use the whisk, and I would just whisk it for about 1 or 2 minutes, or until you see it all pretty much
pretty mixed.
liquidify. Damn, bro, you're becoming a pro.
Oh, this is fun. The color is really nice. I really like the color. Green is my favorite color.
No one asked. See it?
Wow, this is a nice color, man. It reminds me of watercolor. So do we know what we're eating after this?
Dude, oh shit.
Intern, go call a few more places, see if they're open on New Year's.
Yeah, looks pretty good to me. I'm not drinking it, so it doesn't matter to me. Pretty much, you basically mix the water with the matcha powder, and now it is time to combine everything.
So adding the other stuff is just for a drink preference, right? And this itself
That is
is a matcha.
correct.
Okay.
And honestly, my drink preference is gonna be the oat milk, which you can pretty much buy anywhere. I think I saw it on Target now too, which is pretty cool. This used to be really hard to find because I think like there was at one point everyone kind of fell in love with oat milk.
No dairy, no nuts, no gluten. 100% vegan. So this is actually good for you.
Yep. The ice has melted, so we're gonna have to replace the ice.
We took a little too long.
Yeah.
Oh shit! What are you? Are you just doing that to separate the ice?
Yeah, I did it for fun. Handful of it.
Handful of ice.
See? Yeah, that's good enough. So let me put this back in the freezer.
1 full cup of ice.
So you're gonna put some of the oat milk.
How much?
into the-
How much? Show me with your finger.
let's do maybe like right there.
Okay.
There. That's one.
Holy shit, that came out really fast.
A little more.
A little bit more?
Yeah. There.
Right there? Okay. So damn near the whole jar.
The fun part is actually putting the matcha into the glass. And this is actually my hardest part of making the matcha. I struggle with this part, but I want to see you struggle, so
Right.
I'm pretty excited to see this. Are you kidding me? Wow. Damn, bro. He's better at this than me. Damn.
Whoa.
This is like
That's cool, man.
One of my favorite parts is
Just looking at
seeing
it?
But now, if you want, you can add sugar. I don't like using real sugar, so I use Truvia. Yeah.
Joseph's sugar of choice. Truvia.
Oh, I would put half a bag.
Half a bag?
Yeah.
Let me put my finger on it.
Yeah, so I actually use the other bamboo because it already has that powder in there as well.
And just mix it
to
up.
mix it.
Let me get this for the audio. Whoa, that's a nice green. Do they sell this at Starbucks?
Matcha? Yeah, but I heard it's pretty crappy.
So to get started, about 50 bucks. If you want to be extra and get some nice beakers and cups and jars, about 250.
I mean, you can literally use a cereal bowl.
It's mixed.
Yeah, and you basically got your matcha drink.
I'm gonna try it. All right, guys, moment of truth. It's pretty good. I'd add a little bit more sugar because I drink sweeter, but I like that it's not overpowering because I've had matcha before and I didn't like it because the matcha taste was a bit strong. But this is actually really light.
Yeah.
I try it. I would put more sugar though. A little bit too light.
Yeah, so I think this is perfect. You did
Oh, that's perfect?
a really good job. And that's just my preference. Again, is half of the sweet sugar.
Yep.
But basically, I really like how it has that like nutty, earthy taste.
The nut-
Honestly, you might be spending a little bit more money on the quality of the matcha, but at the end of the day,
It's worth it.
it's worth it. So,
Okay.
yeah.
How much did this plant cost? I love plants. Maybe buy one of these.
It was like $10 at Whole Foods.
Is this fake?
No, it's real.
Oh, this is real?
Yeah, it's real.
Shit, no, I would kill it.
Fake like you.
And what is this for?
The reason why I wanted you to pour it in is because I have trouble pouring it, the bowl into the
Into this?
jar. Yeah, and I just make a huge ass mess. This again is just an aesthetic
Choice,
So
again.
I'll actually put the matcha in here and then pour it into the jar.
Yeah, I think one packet of Truvia is perfect for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
All right, let's ask our unpaid intern.
Unpaid intern, come over here. I don't know what he's listening to on those headphones. It hasn't been plugged into anything. How is it? Say it's good.
It's pretty good.
All right, that's enough.
That's how you make matcha.
Is that my payment for today?
Yep. Just for helping us out, you get to buy us dinner. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to just, well, actually, we just wanted to do this for fun. This wasn't really.
You know this was happening today.
We went to lunch, came back, took a nap, and then we decided, let's just make a video of us making matcha. Like,
And it's New Year's 2020.
well, hope you enjoyed it or learned something. If you didn't, I'm sorry. Like anyways, comment anyways. Love you guys.